Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Google account profile photo in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to change your profile photo in your Google account, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser. In my case, I'm opening Chrome, and here just select your Google account for which you want to change your profile photo. So I have selected. Here, you just have to tap on this profile option here. Just tap on it and just select manage your Google account. Or you can directly tap on this camera icon to change profile picture. Just click on it and just wait for the loading. And here just tap on this cross option or just select again. Just select your profile photo which you want to set. So for example, I'm gonna select this one. Just click on it and it will be set it. So you can also change its color, its size or its size. So I'm gonna select next from here. Then select save as profile photo. So it will take a moment depending on your network speed and it will save your profile photo for your Google account. Just go back from here and here you can see I have successfully changed my profile photo of my Google account. So in this way you can easily change your Google account profile photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.